Audrey? Are you going to California, Audrey? Wala pa. Hi. We are going to Walmart to get the stuff done. Kasayaw na naman ah.
Kasayaw na yun sa laod. Nangas ka magtuloy pala sa pawan.
Ay, oh my goodness. Yeah, we're gonna just pick up some stuff because we're leaving too early tomorrow and we're going to National City Seafood. We're gonna buy some fishy and hopefully stop by at Charlie. You see what I got? Look what I got! Biko. Tap, ano? Bibingka. Bibingka ni Mother. So good. What is this, Liam? Hi guys. What is this? Suman. Think it's good? OMG, it's super good. So good, so good, so good. There you go, right here, buddy. Liam, right here. There you go. You try it and let Grandma know if you like it.
Like it? Yeah. Jacob?
Hi guys. We are going to California tomorrow. We're gonna be there 2 days. We're gonna go camping. San Clemente and San Carlsbad. You're excited, Bud?
Yeah. I'm so excited to go to camping.
I know. That's our pastime. We love going camping with the kids.
Yeah.
They love that too. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like so you guys have an idea. It's just like a campground, and then but it's really close to the ocean. So yeah, and then that's our, wait a minute, I'm gonna show you the trailer that we're gonna use.
Mom, why is that?
Camper. There's 2 beds in there that fit maybe 6 people. I'm gonna give you a tour like tomorrow when we're already in a campground. So yep, that's our trailer.